Ang susunod na programa ay Rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Guys, magandang tanghali. Andito na po kami. Ito ang aking kasama, si Sir Conrad. We are now here at Kawayan Airport, the province of Isabela. Gala-gala mode. Yan. Ito po yung aming sinakya. Maliit na aeroplano. Yan. Smile kayo dyan. Medyo mainit. See you later, guys. Guys, this is one of the products, pero ano pa siya, ongoing, nasa R&D to, research and development. This is the champurrado, which is a mixture of white corn. And then, ito yung peanut chocolate, and then ito yung peanut butter. Now this is best if poured with hot carabao. Bawal lang po pakita yung mukha naman kasi pang-Miss Universal pero gusto ka mo? Sari yung gagawin. Tapos ma'am, what's next? Halo-halo. So, naging halo-halo na yung champurrado. Okay, yan na. So that ma-melt yung tsokolate. Ano rin yan? Habang tsokolate coming from cacao. Okay. And then, ito yung kanilang peanut butter. Lalagyan ng peanut butter yung champurrado kasi according to them, this is the peanut capital of the Philippines. Yan. And then, kulang pa. Parang nutritious to kasi may gata. This is fresh caravan milk. Undergo ba siya yung ng process yung fresh caravan milk? Okay. This is again champurrado. Basta ulan. Guys, good afternoon. This would be my room for the next 4 nights and 5 days. This is Sigo Hotel Plus, and ito, mag-room tour muna tayo. So, upon entry, wow! Ang lapad na naman ng kama ko. And then, here, the telephone, and then, the remote control, the TV. Williams, and then we have a TV here. And then ito, meron silang Go Hotel. So, hello, how are you? Hi. then ito, meron silang hair dryer, kahit wala akong hair. And then the hand soap. And then you have here tumblers. Their hygiene kit, dental kit. Then two towels, slippers. And we have here the shower room. How do we open the light? Wala akong switch. Oh. Shower room and chorus. We have the pupo room here. Malinis naman. With delay and
fiesta, masasayang musika. Bawat galaw, ikaw ay mapapasayaw. Dama ang saya.
Ramdam mo bang sayang walang hangganan? Sayang mula sa dagat hanggang kabundukan. Endless of fun, tara sa Cagayan.
Kablaaw kang niyayo amin.
Naragsak na pasarap.